Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to log into Facebook using Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and navigate to the address bar located at the top of the screen. Type facebook.com and press enter. This action will direct you to the Facebook login page. Next, in the email or phone number field, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Facebook account. Then, in the password field, input your Facebook password. Afterward, click on the blue Login button to proceed. If you have trouble recalling your Facebook account password, you can reset it by selecting the Forgotten Password option. For those who don't have a Facebook account yet, they can create a new one by clicking on the Create New Account button. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.